Today we have an NVIDIA RTX 5090 video card in for repair. The water cooling system was installed incorrectly, and one of the screws ended up damaging the PCB board. Recently, we've had about 4 video cards come in with the same issue. Screws from the water cooling system pressing too deep and damaging the board. In this case, the screw not only damaged the upper layer, but also intruded into the next level of the PCB, which is a ground layer. This could have potentially caused a short circuit on the board. I will carefully polish the area to clean up the damaged traces, preparing it for repair and restoration. If you're wondering what tool I'm using, it's actually a nail polisher with a rubber tip. It's not aggressive, making it safe for gently cleaning and preparing the PCB surface. Next, I carefully clean the area with a knife tip to make sure the damaged upper traces don't make contact with the ground layer. Later, I'll confirm this with a multimeter to ensure there are no shorts. After polishing, I clean the area with alcohol to remove any debris and ensure the surface is ready for repair. Final check for shorts with a multimeter. Now I isolate the ground layer with a solder mask. One of the connection points was filled with solder mask, so it will need to be carefully dug out. Now I'm tinning the contact pads. I restore the damaged traces with a wire. I apologize for the reflection in the image. I definitely need to upgrade my lighting setup. All the traces are restored, so now I'm going to check them with a multimeter. Last, I'm covering the area with solder mask to protect the traces. If you're experiencing a similar problem with your graphics card, you can contact us at ZapFixers. We'll be happy to help. We offer mail-in repair services across the US and more. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.